Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing yellow from Rainbow Friends. To get started, let's start off with the big circle of the head right around the top of the page, around here. Let's start from this point. And go all the way around. Draw a medium-sized circle to get started. That's looking good. And let's not connect the circle because we need it for the neck. For the neck, we just need two little lines across. Once you're done with the circle, let's just map in the face in the middle. Right around here, we're going to draw in our first eye, and it's going to be a pretty medium-sized oval, like so. And then another one right besides it. It's almost like a happy face. Well, let's not draw in the smile just yet. Once you're done with the two eyes, we need little highlight circles. And then just fill in the bottom. Like so. With our eyes done, let's just draw in the top beak. Starting from here on the left side of the eye, we're going to go all the way up and back down. And then connect across. With our first top beak done, let's just add in some little sharp teeth. And then for our bottom beak, let's get started on that on the left side. Go down, out, and connect. Before we draw in the rest of the beak, let's add in our teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more right here. With that beak done, let's just complete it by going up from there. And there you have it. The face is done. Now we just need the body. The body, we just need the two chicken wings right across from the neck. On the left side, we're going to go all the way down to this point. Like so. And then go up and connect to around here. And we're going to repeat this on the right side. So from this point all the way down, right around here, and then back up and connect to this point. That's looking good. Now we just need the two sides of the body, one right here and one right here. 1, 2. And then we don't want to go beyond this line right here because this is where our legs are going to be. The legs are pretty simple. We just need a line down, straight, and let's draw in the feet. And then once you hit this point, go back up and connect to here. And it's almost like a chicken leg, which it is because he looks like a chicken. Now with this leg done, let's draw in the other side. Down, straight, around, back up, and back to the similar spot. And all we really need is the bottom line to complete our line work. Once your line work is done, let's add some color real quick. And there you have it, yellow from Rainbow Friends. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.